Hi guys and welcome to my channel again. Today we are talking to the pretty girl Sameera. She's a Zing Anchor Hunt winner and she's done a lot of shows. She's also done anchoring for the Z Cine Awards. And today we are going to be talking about how to kill nervousness, and she's going to give us some very important points as how to kill nervousness. So Sameera, can you please?
And yes, I've done a couple of shows on stage and on TV, and that's something I get asked a lot, is that how do you kill the nervousness? And trust me, people think if you do a lot of shows you don't feel nervous, but every time before I go on stage I feel absolutely nervous. So how can you get over this? Number one, and very important, which is key, is know your content. Content is king. Whatever you're talking about, whether you're going to give a presentation, you're going to give a speech, you're hosting your best friend's wedding, whatever you're going to talk about, know it thoroughly.
So the important point over here is know your content is by heart your content. Means read it as many times. For somebody like me, I read it and I start walking and reading the same lines again and again. So that way it helps me like by heart the lines faster.
Well, absolutely. So everybody has different techniques of like learning better. Some people like to, mug things up. Some people like to make it conversational and really break it down. So however you're comfortable, but just know that you don't have to think about, oh my God, what was that point? What was this point? Know it thoroughly. So that's the battle one. Now, step number two, just before, when you're about to start, don't be like sitting in one place. Don't be rigid. Don't be frozen. Make sure you're warmed up. And by that, I mean like bodily and physically warmed up. So whatever it is, you want to do jumping jacks, go ahead and do that. You want to call your best friend, you want to call your mother and have like a conversation, you want to laugh, you want to talk about your nervousness, go ahead and do that.
When I was doing theatre, I would enter in like 40 minutes into the play where people are already on stage and I walk in 40 minutes after. So it's very tough because everybody is in there and the green room is really cold as the ACs are blowing full power. So yes, I would just like go up into my green room and I would do jump over there, breathe out as much as I can, warm up, have my black coffee or something that will keep me up. So another very important point, like this, she says warm up. Exercise anyways is a must for everyone every day.
I would say that's the best thing. Point number three, make sure you rehearse. So your rehearsals should be on point. And you know what the best part is, Mithun? Recording yourself, because we have cameras these days, we have phone cameras. So my advice to you would be like just before or the night before, rehearse and take your first take and take your last take. Like if you're doing 10 takes, take your first take, see your 10th take, and you will notice that what a great improvement it's been, because you get to record yourself, you get to see it, and when you see yourself, sometimes you realize, wow, I'm so good, or wow, I need to work on that. So it just gives you clear perspective. So I mean, there's so many things we can talk about, but I would focus on these three main points. Like definitely make sure that you have this on point, and it's not so difficult, guys. You can do it. Just try these three things out and record yourself and actually see. For all of you who are scared of public speaking, it's not so bad.
That's great. So are we going to be knowing more things about public speaking in the future? Are you going to do more videos with us?
Oh, well, Sameera? I'd love to if you'd call me, Mithun, to do videos
anytime,
with you.
Anytime.
So yeah, definitely, because there's so many things to cover. There's voice, there's body language, there are a bunch of things. So yeah, if you guys want to know more, do tell us and stay tuned for more.
Please comment, like, dislike, no problem. Please comment what you can so that we can serve you better, we can help better in passing the right message out to the people there who are actually trying to learn something about public speaking. So I have learned a lot of things today from Sameera. Wow. Thanks a lot, and we'll chat again. See ya.
Bye.